Now I just want to talk a little bit about the pelleting process, more from a nutritional point of view. Why do feed mills pellet the product, and what's the equipment that's used in that process? So before we talked about the regulation of the steam and bringing the steam in, and it comes into a piece of equipment called a conditioner. So the conditioner's job is to start a gelatinization process. So the gelatinization process basically enables the nutrients, the proteins, to be more accessible to the animal when they eat that product and they digest it more easily. So the steam is mixed in and the conditioner is sized and has a certain speed at which it pulls the product through, and that's called a dwell time. That's to maximize the amount of energy going into the batch product before it comes in. It will then drop down into this pellet mill. So the pellet mill's job is to take this product, which is now starting to get a little bit gooier and starting to get cooked, and it will push it through what's called a die, and as it goes through it gets formed into these pellets, and there's a scraper inside which is set to a certain length, which is the length that the farmer wants. It's the length that the animal is most comfortable eating, and as this die spins around, the pellets are extruded out and then they're chopped off at the right length, and they basically drop down into the next stage of the process.